In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off AirPlay on your iPhone. Now for people who don't know what AirPlay is just a feature that lets you share your videos, photos, music from your Apple device to your Apple TV, speakers or your smart TVs in general. So yeah, that is what AirPlay is, and I'll teach you guys how you can turn it off. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is opening up your settings. Now to temporarily disable your AirPlay, you might want to turn off your Bluetooth. After you turn it off, your AirPlay should stop working. But when you turn your Bluetooth on, it will again work. So to turn it off completely, just go to your general on your settings, and right there you will see AirPlay and handoff. Go there and you will see automatically AirPlay. Just select that and make it never. Now after you do that, your AirPlay should just stop and you've just turned it off. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you turn off AirPlay. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.